What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, hope you're having a great week. And welcome to this video on Radicle and the RAD token, which has been, I've had this on my radar for quite a while now. It has been bullish for quite some time as well. I mean, if you take a look at like the last 7 days, we've been so bullish. We went from $2 to almost $6 now. So that's a 200% increase almost. But apart from that, it's just interesting because I do not know where this bullish momentum comes from. I know Radicle is a solid, active and unique project, but it seems a bit manipulated, or I'm missing something. That's possible too. I mean, if you take a look at the sources of the volume, most of it is coming from Binance, which is actually just a good source of volume. But there's also quite a lot coming from some more shady exchanges like BitTrue, Hotcoin, Upbit and Paribu. Which is, I mean, it's not worrying me, but it seems to be that we are a bit manipulated. And we've seen that before with Radicle. If you take a look at the price, you can see that we've had manipulations like these countless times, like the 25th of May last year, 27th of July last year, and we just have these spikes all of the time, just never like this. I mean, this is just crazy. It just is, all right? So in this video, we'll talk about what to expect, what's going on, and an advice to stay out of this. At least, I mean, that would always be my advice. It's just too risky. When shorting, you can lose your entire capital. When going long, you can lose your entire capital. So I would just stay out of it. But that's my take, and I am perhaps a little bit of a conservative trader. But alright, before we get into that, if you want to receive daily trading signals from me, check out the links down in the description or the pinned comment, and there you'll find instructions on how to join and all the trade results. Everything is open, transparent and honest. But now onto Radicle. So I zoomed out to the daily time frame because there you'll be able to find some stronger resistance levels. And what you'll see is that this level right here around 5.5 was actually quite strong. Like you can see that we found resistance there quite a bit. 5.5 is also a psychological resistance level, and it had the 0.5 VIP, which we actually did react to a little bit earlier. I mean, if you just take a look at Radicle, its entire price action is just weird, and it seems manipulated, but all right. But then the level we're heading for right now has the 0.618 VIP, which is stronger, and you can also see that we spiked up there quite a bit. And what is probably going to happen is that the top for Radicle is going to be such a spike. So that's the level I'm aiming for right now. To zoom back in a little bit, this entire resistance level we're struggling with right now, or we're trying to break above, is between 5.4 and 5.8. So what we do need to do, I would say at least on like the 1 hour time frame, because we have not been able to do that, is break above 5.8. If we do that, like I said, I think we're heading for this level between $6.5 and $7. But I do think we'll find resistance there. In that level between $6.5 and $7, I do think we'll find resistance. And then whether we can actually get higher than that later on depends on what we do with that resistance. Because with that resistance, I think we will drop back down to that 5.8 kind of level, $6, 5.8. If we can then hold that as a support, then sky's the limit. We can get up to $8, I mean, and 9.5 perhaps even. There's really no strong, like the next strong resistance level is around $8, 7.8, $8. So to do a quick recap, because I get that this is a little bit difficult. Right now, what I expect is that we will continue to go up to $6.5 and $7. If from there we can actually hold 5.8 and $6 as a support, then we'll continue this bullish momentum. So at least for like 1 day, then I think we'll continue this bullish momentum up to 7.8. If, however, we get there and we instantly drop down below 5.8 again, then I think it's probably over, at least for a while. And we'll drop down to 4.8, 4.6, and probably start some sort of a crash / downtrend. But then again, I mean, Radicle, it's difficult to predict. It's very unpredictable and volatile right now. So I'll keep you updated on that. But for now, this is my take on Radicle. So thanks for watching. Take care and bye.